everyone, welcome back to my channel Little Bewish. Today's video is for those who are really bored in this quarantine and want to get out of their pajamas and feel good about the work they are doing from home and get dressed up a little bit. And yes, I have used very minimal products. I have used just 3 products to get this look, and I haven't used foundation at all. So if you want to know what I've used instead, then please watch this video. Since there is no foundation, you can put on this makeup for all 5 working days and won't regret putting on makeup every day. I promise you that. So guys, let's begin the video. Whether you call it quarantine makeup or office makeup, just let's begin. So guys, whether I'm doing makeup or no makeup, the first step for me is always going to be prepping my skin. So I am using Cetaphil Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is suited best for an oily skin type also. So you can check it out in the drugstore, which is easily available. I love to sink in the moisturizer because that just makes my makeup look, that just changes my makeup game a lot. So I will be using the moisturizer to the fullest extent. So guys, lately I have been complimented on Instagram for my skin, and it's not just only about the scars, it is about how my makeup looks on camera. It is giving really a glossy look, and I think the key ingredient is using moisturizer to the fullest and just sinking in the product and making your makeup look glam. So guys, those who have not seen my Instagram profile can check it out in the link. Moisturizing is done, and now moving on to the next step, which is using a base. I will be using Pond's BB cream. I don't want a fuller makeup look since I'm home, and I just want to feel good, and I want some makeup on my skin. So I don't want a heavy makeup, if you know what I mean. No amount of product is gonna look good on you if your skin is not is healthy. If you don't take care of your skin, no matter how expensive products you use, it is always gonna look unhealthy with makeup. So make sure you regularly and religiously take care of your skin. BB cream just gives a very subtle and natural look. So the days when I don't feel like putting on foundation, I put on a BB cream because it has SPF also. So guys, as you can see, the BB cream has given a very decent coverage. These scars are not hidden, but I think that's okay because I don't want a full foundation look. I know we all are working from home in pajamas, and I want to change that vibe a little bit and get that office vibes. So I am getting ready for it. I don't want a full foundation look. Right guys, so the base is done, and now I will be setting my base. I don't want to loose powder because that gives a little more coverage, and I don't want that. I'm fine with my scars as well. So I will be just setting my base with this powder, Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's not a loose powder, it's a pressed powder. I know I have used a very minimal product for this look because I don't want a foundation look. I don't want to look extra at home. So I'm just fine with this. I just want my makeup to last for 8 hours, and that's it. So the pressed powders do not give you a coverage. It doesn't add coverage to your makeup. I also will be avoiding a concealer because I just don't want makeup to be used under my eyes for 8 hours, for no reason. So I just don't want a heavy coverage near my eye. Oh guys, by the way, I did my brows at home. I used a face blade and I got a scar here. It's been 4 days and it is still burning. Things we do, guys. By the way, I'm using Calabar Chestnut 001 and this shade, perfectly matches with the shade of my hair. Just flick it out. Don't, just try to paint it all over. Just flick it out and simultaneously use the spoolie to comb it. So guys, you can see the difference already, and I haven't thickened my brows. It's just, I've started filling in my brows, and yeah. Just flick it, okay? Just flick it and use a spoolie simultaneously. Guys, do not forget to use a spoolie because this spoolie, just helps to spread the product, and so it's very important to comb before and after using the brow pencil. So this is a little expensive. I don't remember how how much did I exactly buy it for. I think it's somewhere between 600 to 800, but guys, this is worth it. So we are done with brows as well, and I don't need concealer, I don't need highlighter, but I will be needing a blush, and for that purpose I will be using Swiss Beauty eye palette. I want a coral shade. I don't want something really pink, and I want a coral shade, so I will be using this shade right here. Guys, it's not that I am not obsessed with highlighters. I love highlighters. The only point is, I just don't want that dramatic look at home, and I just want a very basic look, and so I'm just using a blush. At least some kind of definition. Oh, by the way, I don't even need to contour my face. I just want some sort of blush, and that's it. Guys, lately I even like to, put a little tint on my nose. I am not gonna contour my face, no bronzer, nothing. That's it. This is only the simple look what I can do and feel good about myself walking at home. One thing I really can't be without is lipsticks, and I don't want really a dark pink look or something like that, because I don't want my lips to look extra. So I will be using Maybelline Lip Gradation and in the shade Mauve, and I've already applied, you can see, and I'm gonna apply a little more. I do not have a lip gloss of the same shade, so I will be using Vaseline Total Moisture and top it up on my lips, so that it gives a little bit flushed look. Using a lip gloss on a lipstick gives really a flushed and juicy lips, and this is perfect for this look. So I think we are done, and I'll just set it again. I think this is really perfect for this look, and yeah. Guys, as you know, I have used very minimal products, just the BB cream, a blush and my brows, and that's it, I'm done. So guys, the point was not the coverage, the point was getting out of my pajamas and feeling good about myself, getting ready, and I think this is looking really very subtle, and this is really perfect for makeup at home. I think this is giving, you know, a pretty much a decent look. And if you're thinking, you know, to put on this makeup look for all 5 working days, I think you can, because BB cream has got SPF 30 in it, which is going to protect you from UV rays, and you know, it is less harmful than the foundation which you will use for all 5 working days. So I think this is the best if you're, you know, if you're thinking to put on some makeup in quarantine at home. So yeah guys, let me know how was it. This has completely changed my mood. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram for the latest beauty updates, and I will see you in my next video.